we are going for a short hike to the temple, and it's almost a 6k inside the jungle with a lot of thrones, ups and downs. Manish.
Hi.
Taylor. This is one of the holiest place of this region. So it has a cave inside. So still cave is there, but I'm not sure after the development this still exists or not.
Take a look.
Yeah, but it's a very interesting and holy place called Gufa Dhuni. This is Gufa. Finally, we start our trek to the jungle, and you can see all bushes and the beautiful Aravalli surroundings. The house is dedicated to the indigenous people of this place. So these are the Bhil tribe.
Yeah.
So the house is made out of the clay, mud. So this is Aravalli mountain range. Another blue bull we spotted on the top hill. You can see there. That's another blue bull. You can see the another blue bull on the top. He's overlooking to us. Doesn't sound interesting. Now this blue bull is very quiet and he is looking over us. You can see the duck. Reserve Tickwood Forest, somewhere in southern part of Rajasthan, in Aravallis. At the moment we are in the core area of the wildlife sanctuary, and see it's very steep up all the way and around steep 150 meter of climb up, and we have recently seen one fox, wild fox. You can see how the track is coming in the edge of the mountains. So that is our destiny, where we are heading. It's called Jetholeshwer Temple, which is right top of the hill. This is the mahua, is the native tree here, and these are the mahua flower. This kind of flower, and the cow is having this mahua flower, and if he will eat more, then she will gonna high. Far we have done now 8 kilometers of hiking and few more to go, and we just came out of the small rural village called Hanela, and it looks very quiet, peaceful, more life here, full of the barley. And walking through some countryside houses, and what you see, you know that goat on the bed, and this is what I can say, picture of the day. And see the happy buffalo calf.
Underneath its horns like that.
What do you think?
So cute. It looks like a bat. Look at those ears. Like the ears are like upside down. You know, compared to like a dog or something, they're like literally like upside down.
What do you think? So pristine. So brick is the major industry here, and that is how the labor work. see all the colorful ladies.
They look like sisters.
They look like sisters. मैं बोलूं?
नहीं
No. No, wrong guess.
Wow.
दोनों ने इजुइजुओ गम्मी
Okay.
We're all sisters.
All sisters. All sisters from different mothers.
Yeah, we're all sisters.
This year we had a barley season, but it was not great because of the antelope as well as the wild boar. And he said they are very dangerous. Right? सही बात है ना?
Say. The wild boar dangerous?
Yeah. They say more dangerous, and if you are not aware, they can kill you. So you need to be very careful. To the end, finally we are at the end point, and that is how we finish our trek to the temple. So this is the temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, called Jetholeshwer, and that's the picturesque view. And we started from somewhere there, and we trekked through all the forest area, and we are here. It's a beautiful temple.
Nice track. Sunny weather as usual. Quite dry. Good quartz along the way. Not too difficult finding the route. Just followed you, obviously. It was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 7.2.
7.2. And how's the difficult level?
On a scale of 1 to 10, difficulty is a 6.
6. And what about, would you recommend this track to the beginner?
Yes. It's beginner, it's okay.
Okay. What is our pilot way back home? Deepesh. Hey.